Hi, my name is Leo. I am happy today. I love bananas. They are sweet. I also like apples. They are crunchy. Riding my bike is so much fun. I like swimming in the pool in summer. I have a small dog named Max. Max loves to play outside with me. I love to eat blueberries. They are yummy. I like to read books about animals. I play tag with my friends at recess. I wear my green rain boots when it rains. I like to eat chocolate chip cookies. I play with my toy dinosaurs. I like to ride my bike fast. I have a blue scarf for cold days. I like to watch fireworks on holidays. I eat cheese sandwiches for lunch. I like to dance in the rain. I play soccer with my dog Max. I wear a yellow hat in summer. I like to eat mangoes. They are sweet. I build Lego towers with my friends. I like to listen to bedtime stories. I have a pet goldfish named Flash. I like to eat cereal with milk. I play hopscotch at school. I wear my red raincoat on rainy days. I like to watch soccer games on TV. I like to eat peanut butter sandwiches. I run races with my friends. I have a blue backpack for school. I like to eat corn on the cob. I like to play the piano. I wear my favorite red shoes. I like to go hiking with my family. I like to eat pancakes with syrup. I play board games with my friends. I like to eat oranges in winter. I play chess with my dad. I like to watch cartoons on weekends. I have a small turtle as a pet. I like to eat oranges. They are juicy. I like to jump rope with my friends. I wear my red shoes to school. I like to read comic books. I play soccer in the park. I like to eat pancakes for breakfast. I watch butterflies in the garden. I build forts with pillows at home. I like to ride my scooter in the neighborhood. I enjoy playing board games with my family. I like to eat strawberries with yogurt. I have a pet hamster named Coco. I like to watch clouds in the sky. I play basketball with my friends. I wear a blue jacket in winter. I like to play video games. I go to the beach in summer. I eat apples every morning. I like the color yellow. I listen to music before bed. I wear my scarf in winter. I run in the school playground. I love my sticker book. I wear my favorite red jacket. I eat bananas with breakfast. I watch the night sky with my dad. I build tall towers with blocks. I have a pencil case with crayons. I eat sandwiches with my friends. I sing in the school show. I wear a blue scarf in cold weather. I watch the rain from my window. I eat cookies after school. I drink juice in the afternoon. I ride my bike in the park. I swim in the blue pool. I play football with my friends. I draw pictures of animals. I play with my dog Max. I read books with my sister. I eat ice cream after swimming. I wear my blue hat in summer. I watch cartoons in the evening. I keep my crayons in a box. I eat apples with peanut butter. I like to dance in my room. I ride my scooter in the street. I drink milk before bed. I eat bananas in the park. I help my mom bake cookies. I wear my blue shoes for sports. I listen to fairy tales at night. I paint with watercolors. I go to the zoo with my friends. I have a green ball. I wear my yellow backpack to school. I drink orange juice in the morning. I eat watermelon in summer. I wear sunglasses at the beach. I help water the plants. I read my favorite book again and again. I have a red scooter. I wear a party hat at my birthday. I blow candles on my cake. I eat strawberries in spring. I go swimming with my friends. I eat grapes at the picnic. I watch butterflies in the garden. I fly a kite in the park. I drink cold lemonade in summer. I wear my raincoat on rainy days. I play in the snow in winter. I build a snowman with my friends. I like to go to the zoo. I eat apples after school. I love fairy tales. I run fast in the park. I like to paint pictures. I watch cartoons in the afternoon. I have a red ball. I like to dance to music. I wear blue shoes to school. I enjoy reading storybooks every night. My favorite color is blue. I like to listen to pop music. I like pizza with lots of cheese. I drink milk every morning. I like to draw with my crayons. I wear a watch on my wrist. I enjoy sunny days in the park. I eat ice cream in summer. I have a yellow backpack for school. I like to sing songs when I'm happy. I have a blue scarf for winter. I like to watch the rain from my window. I love chocolate. It is so tasty. I have many stickers. I like to play football with my friends. I like to wear my red jacket. I eat bananas every day. I look at the stars at night. I build things with my blocks. I have a green pencil case. I eat sandwiches for lunch. I love singing on stage. I wear a bright blue hat. I like to eat vegetables. I wear my blue jacket when it's cold. I like to paint with bright colors. I have a red ball to play with. I watch cartoons every Saturday morning. I like to eat strawberries with cream. I play tag in the playground. I wear a green hat when I play outside. I like to eat bananas for a snack. I build towers with my blocks at home. I like to listen to music while drawing. I go to the park to play with my friends. I like to watch birds in the morning. I eat apples with peanut butter. I wear my raincoat on windy days. I play football with my friends after school. I like to eat ice cream in summer. I watch stars with my family at night. I love to sing songs in my room. Thank you for spending the day with me.